Welcome back to digital class, and now we're looking at question number 5. This question number 5 is actually a very famous parameter question, so please do take note. And here says that the figure is made up of 3 squares. AB is a straight line, as you can see, AB here is a straight line. And what is the parameter of the figure? Now, parameter again is the outer length, so it means that I'm looking for all these lines here. Now, the first thing that is very important for you to take note is that you should know that there's something that's repeating here. So to illustrate that, let me just use the color here. Now, example, I call this line as the purple color, okay? Now, I call this part of the line pink color, for example. Then maybe I'll just call this part of the line blue color. So as you can see, purple plus pink plus blue, that actually gives you 7 cm. Am I right? So purple, pink, blue, that gives you 7 cm. Now, then what if I do that? You see, I have another purple color. I have another pink color. I have another blue color. Means that I have actually what? I have another 7 cm. Because I have another pink, a purple, pink, and blue. Then now, let's look at the next one. I have another purple. I have another pink color. I have another blue color. And that gives you what? Another 7 cm. And let me just repeat this again. I have another purple color. I have another pink color. And I have another blue color. So again, I'll get another what? Another 7 cm. That basically tells you what? The parameter of this figure is 7 times 4, which is 28. And that's it. We are done for this question. I mean, of course, in real exam, you don't need to do this 7 plus 7 plus 7. You can actually straight away find out the answer is 7 times 4. Why? Because purple, pink plus blue gives you 7. And I have 4 sides. Can you see here? 4 side here. They are all the same in terms of the 1, 2, and 3 line, okay? And that's why I have 4 sets of it. That's why it's 7 times 4, 28. Okay, I hope you get the idea. But if I were to make it to a slightly different concept, example, the similar question but different figures. Example, I have A to B, 7 cm. Then I actually give you a triangle. Now, example A to B, I have 7 cm, and all these triangles are equilateral triangle. Just in case you don't know what is equilateral triangle, means that all the side will be the same. Now, if I were to ask you what is the perimeter of this figure, what will you give me? The answer is supposed to be 7 times 3, 21. But teacher, there are so many triangles here. Why you times 3 only? But this one, again, is not about the number of triangles. It is about the number of sides. Again, I told you, right, if here is blue, then how many blue here? 3. If here is, example, yellow color, how many sides? 1, 2, 3. The same thing for the rest. It's all 3 sides. That's why here is times 3. Okay? So I hope you get the idea here. And this is actually very important because this is actually a very common parameter question here. Okay? So I hope you really learned something, and please do take note of this question. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.